my little sister told me this story that her teacher told her years ago about this woman who went for a job interview. Okay, fine. A part of the interview process was that she had to do a test. Now, on that test, one of the items required her to know her 9 times table from like 9 times 1 to 9 times 10. She completed everything else that's on the test, but unfortunately, she did not know her 9 times table, apart from the fact that she knew that 9 times 1 is 9 and 9 times 10 is 90, because those two are easy, right? So, you know, when you're in exams and you don't know the rest of whatever to do, you just probably sleep or something. So she was just there weary until the examiner said, all right, you have 2 minutes remaining. And she goes, oh gosh. So I'm gonna get 1 wrong, 2 wrong, 3 wrong, 4 wrong, 5 wrong. And she kept going down the line. 6 wrong, 7 wrong, 8 wrong. Whew. Frustrated. The examiner says, all right, we have just 1 minute remaining. And she goes, so may I get 1 wrong, 2 wrong, 3 wrong, 4 wrong, 5 wrong, 6 wrong, 7 wrong, 8 wrong. Oh, and of course, you guessed it, she got all the answers correctly. So if you know your 9 times table pretty well, then you know that all these answers are correct. And this is just a very, I want to say cute, but a really nice pattern when it comes to the 9 times table. One, you notice that the digits, of course, is counting numbers straight down the line and straight up the line as well. So here we would have, let's say if I were to put a 0 here in front of the 9, which still makes it 9. All right, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 going down and the same coming up. There is also one other thing with the 9 times table. Another pattern. Well, among many other patterns, but this is an easy one. If you should add the digits of the answers, for example, 0 and 9 here, that's going to be 0 plus 9. It gives you, yep, 9, of course. And if you take 18 here, then that's 1 plus 8 gives you 9. The same thing happens with 81. If you take 27 and add the digits, which is the same as taking 72 and adding the digits, again, you get the answer to be 9 for all of these, 9 times 1 to 9 times 10. So coming from this nice little hack, there's your fun fact right there with the 9 times table, that the sum of these digits actually also add up to 9. Yep. Now I'm going to share with you another tiny trick when it comes to the number 9, but it's going to be about numbers that can be divided by 9. Now it's a very, very, very simple rule. Now all these numbers can be divided by 9. And we already said that when we add the individual digits, we actually get 9. Now, that is because 9 is a number that 9 can go into. Now let me say that again. If when you add the digits, you get 9, you know that this number can be divided by 9. Now, just to extend that, we can say, if I should add the digits of a number and I get, let's say 18, or I get the answer to be 27, or I get the answer to be 36 or 90. Once I add the individual digits of the number and I get any of these, I can tell that that number can be divided by 9. So let's just make it a little clearer. If I have the number 405 and I ask you, is this number divisible by 9? You are going to test it by adding the digits. So that's going to be 4 plus 0 plus 5. Yes, that is 9. Since 9 can be divided by 9, then this original number can also be divided by 9. Let's take another example. Let's say 54,963. If I should add these digits, 5 plus 4 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3. I'll give you a few seconds to add that. And write your answer down. Let's see if you get that. All right, we end up with our sum being 27. And since 27 is a number that is divisible by 9, then this original number is also divisible by 9. So this is how you can tell if a number is divisible by 9. So let's see the number 463. You can go ahead of me and just write down your answer. Do you think that this number is divisible by 9? If yes, you should be able to state your reason. If no, you should be able to state your reason. But you do know that we are going to add the digits. 4 plus 6 plus 3 is going to give us 13. And since 13 cannot be divided by 9, then 463 cannot be divided by 9 exactly, that is, right? So it's not divisible by 9. So go ahead, let me know that you got this. You can make up your own number in the chat. Just ensure that when you write down this number, the digits add up to a number that can be divisible by 9. So go ahead and put in the comments whatever number you come up with. So let's say, for example, it's 702, because all those digits will add up to 9, or it's 333, whatever it is. If it's 621, if the digits add up to, let's say, 36, then you know that that number can be divided by 9. So put it in the comments, let me know. Okay, thank you for tuning in today. Please stay tuned for lots of other math hacks. And don't forget to share. And if you are not yet a part of the DJ Makes Math Easy family, go ahead and subscribe so that you can get the notifications for our other videos as soon as they are posted. Goodbye from DJ Makes Math Easy. We are intentional about making math dimensional.